Johnny Lightning front row racing figure stock car series Ted Musgrave figure that I managed to get for $2. Number 16 has a card, and there's other 1997 edition. So I don't normally like buy any sports related figures, but this time I bought this racing figure because it was $2. Why not buy it, show it off for you guys, do an unboxing video? Maybe I have a racing fan. If y'all want to see more stuff like this from random different toy lines or action figures or whatever, comment down below. I'm going to a toy show this Saturday, and if there's anything in particular y'all would like to see, maybe I'll see some at the toy show, make some trades, whatever. So I'm just going to try to resell this figure. It kind of sucks that there's no pigs on the stand. I mean, there's no pigs on the stand. I expect him to like stand up. You know what I'm saying? Here's the card. It's of his car. Has information about it. It says Ted Musgraves is searching for victory lane and racing for his first win in 1996. He won the pole position at the last Winston Cup race at North Wilkesboro. He captured 7 top 10 and 2 top 5 finishes and finished 16th overall in the point standings. Ted is gearing up for an even more impressive future. Photo courtesy of the CIA. What? Oh, seriously, it says photo CIA on there. Is that the photo CIA stock photo? Is that the actual CIA, as in the Central Intelligence Agency stock photo? Or is that CIA as in car? I have no idea. That's just weird. I'm over here like, wow. The CIA's watching racing? Okay. No, seriously. Look at that. What's it read right there? Come on, focus. There it goes. CIA. Photo of CIA. Wow. So the CIA is watching. They're always watching you. Now, if you feel like someone's always watching you, because they are, Central Intelligence Agency, they ain't even freaking trying to hide the fact that they're watching you. Anyway, remember, God is good all the time. God is good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves you. Jesus God. Jesus Lord. Jesus King. Jesus is ruler, everything. So, if the CIA's watching all, like, the races, then they're probably watching all the other sports, which means if you go and attend sports, they're watching you. They are. They're watching us. Why would they be watching people at sporting events? Just no privacy in America. None. Because they watching you. I feel like someone's always watching me. Now I got proof. CIA is watching us. Anyway, have a great day. That's why you need to be observant of things and your surroundings and whatnot, because if I wasn't observant and looked at those cards, I wouldn't have noticed that the CIA is watching us. And they literally are not lying about it. I guess there's a place you could have them sign if you were that desperate, but then you can open the figure, which wasn't much of a figure anyway, so I guess it would be okay to leave them unpackaged. The best part is finding that information about the CIA watching this. Why are they watching the NASCAR races and stuff? What do they think, that the people who watch NASCAR are a bunch of right-wing extremists or something? I hope they're watching all the sporting events, not just NASCAR, because that would be discrimination. Look, it's even on here. Photo CIA. Got no privacy. They're always watching me and you too. Anyway, have a great day. I can't. Unconstitutional government agency watching us. Uh-oh. They're probably watching my YouTube videos too. I'm on the UCIA. Because I'm a secret agent man. Secret agent man. Giving you a number like 007 and a license to kill and taking away your name. Secret agent man. Hire me, CIA. I'll be part of your special forces. I'm on to y'all. I'm watching y'all. Watching me. Watching y'all. Watching me. Anyway, later. I bet part of my subscribers are secretly CIA agents. I'm on to y'all. Laters.